Dear students, I am your teacher, Dr. Sanmati Vijay Dhanode, BA Part 3rd, Special English, Language and Linguistics, Semester 5, Paper 11. We are studying about language and linguistics. Module 1st. What is language? What is linguistic? What is phonetics? There are so many terms. We will go one by one and we'll study. We'll take information about it. So first we discussed about today linguistics. What is linguistics? It is a systematic study of language, the scientific study of language and its structure, including the study of grammar, syntax, and phonetics, is called as linguistics. Specific branches of linguistics include sociolinguistics, dialectology, psycholinguistics, computational linguistics, comparative linguistics, and structural linguistics. But again, there is a question: what is phonetics? Phonetics is a branch of linguistics. Phonetics is the study and classification of speech sounds. It deals with the production, transmission, and reception of the sounds of human speech. The act that is commonly known as respiration involves two processes: taking outer air into the lungs, called inspiration, and throwing out air from the lungs into the outer atmosphere is called expiration. It is the expiratory lung air, that is the air that we breathe out, that is the basis for the articulation of most speech sounds. For this reason, the airstream involving lung air is called pulmonic airstream. An air system is produced by an airstream mechanism. There are three main airstream mechanisms. These are called pulmonic, glottalic, and valeric airstream mechanism. So these are the basics of the phonetics and linguistic concept. If we know how we can produce our speech sounds, we will understand the outer level and inner level as well of phonetics and linguistics. So before going ahead, let us discuss about the phonetics, and the main thing about phonetics is the speech sounds. The speech sounds are very broadly divided into two categories, namely vowels and consonants. We all know that in English language we have total 26 English alphabets. A to Z we have 26 alphabets, 26 letters. So these 26 letters can be divided into further two groups. Number 1, vowel. Number 2, consonants. So regarding vowels, we have total 5 vowels. Let me tell you, it is A, E, I, O, U. And except these 5 vowels, rest of the alphabets are called as consonants. And those are total 21 in number. So totally we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. The 5 vowels can produce different 20 vowel sounds. With the help of same 5 vowels, we can produce different 20 vowel sounds. On the contrary, 21 consonants can only produce 24 consonants sounds. Alphabets are different and sounds are different. 5 vowels, 20 vowel sound, 21 consonants, 24 consonant sound. Regarding 20 vowel sounds, we can segregate 2 more categories over here. 1, monophthongs, 2, diphthongs. There are 12 pure vowels, also known as monophthongs in English language. Secondly, there are diphthongs, also known as glides. Those are 8 in English language. So total 44 English sounds, total 44 English symbols are there in English language. So we have to study these vowel, consonant sounds. We have to study English Sound symbols, these are the basics of phonetics and linguistics. After receiving the mastery over it, it is a piece of cake to learn and understand further different things. Okay, so in further coming lectures, we will discuss about these phonetic symbols and how we can produce it, how we can use it in transcription, etc. So, stay connected about it. Thank you.